Today we will start exercise 1.2 on page number 21. This is our first question. Represent these numbers on the number line. You all know we have done this in number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This negative. This is number line. If I am asking you to plot -3, so you will plot it here and tell me this is -3. If I'll ask you that plot 2 on this, so you will just place it here and you'll show me this is 2, and same as it is in this. But here we have to represent 7/4, which is a fraction. So you can do, first thing to know about this question is this denominator is 4 and numerator is greater 7. So first we have to make it in a mixed fraction, which will be like so this is the 3 remainder here, and we can write it as 1/3/4. This is the mixed fraction. Remember, whenever the numerator is greater than the denominator, we have to write the fraction in mixed fraction first. Then there is a line. So this is the 0 and this is the 1. Here we have done this complete. From here to here it is 1, and now from till 2 it's 3/4. So first we'll from here to here divide it in the 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and this 4. Now 3/4 in this we have to take 1, 2 and this 3. Total parts are 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we have to point 3/4. So this is the 3/4. So the answer is this. Because from 0 to 1 is completed. Now 3/4 the part we have completed on the 1 to 4. 1 to 1. This is the second part of this question. Now you can see the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so we don't need to make it in the mixed fraction. But here to remember is thing, this is negative. So from here to here this is 0, this is -1, this is -2. But here is no mixed fraction, so we have to make it from 0 to -1 only, and we have to divide this 0 to 1 line in 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make it 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1 will be here. So we have divided this 0 to 1 -1 line in 6 parts, and we have to plot the -5 in this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point where -5/6 will be represented. Here is the second question. We have to represent these 3 fractions on number line. So first we'll draw a number line from here. We can make it as 1, the 0, and this till -1, because we know we have to make the 11 parts of this. From here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to make it increased. 9, 10, and this is 11. Now we can write it -1. Now we have done the 11 parts of 0. This part of 0 to -1. We have to place the -2/11 on this. So this is 1 and this is 2. So this will be -2/11. Now -5. 3, 4, 5. This is -5/11. 6, 7, 8, 9. This is -9/11. Here is the third question. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. It means they want smaller than 2. Any rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So easily you can answer that 1 and 0 are the smaller number than 2. But we know that we have to write rational numbers, and they are asking us for the 5 numbers. So we can write any negative number, as you have studied about the rational number number line. So here is 0, so -1, -2, -3, and negative numbers are also smaller than 2. So you can write here -1, -2, -3, this number which are lesser or smaller than 2. And if you don't want to write this, so you have another options also. You can write the numbers in the fraction also. But remember, I have told you in previous question that if the denominator and numerator having the numerator is greater than the denominator, so it would not be, it is completing one part, one number. So please keep it in mind. So make it smaller number in the numerator and greater number at the denominator. So you can use this line, this numbers and negative fractions also. Any fraction negative, any, but it should be lesser than 2. Here is the fourth question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Here in this, I have explained this question about the rational numbers in the important points or points to remember. But here you have to see that these are the two fractions. And you have to write 10 rational numbers which comes between these fractions. So you multiply any number with denominator and numerator. Both the numbers numerator and denominator with the same. Here you can multiply this fraction with 2. So you can get the same number. 2 2s are 4 minus and 5 2s are 10. Here you can multiply 5 with both numbers, so you can get the same denominator. 5 ones are 5 and 2 5s are 10. Here you got the same denominator. Now you can write all the numbers between minus 4 to 5 upon 10. Minus 4 upon 10. Minus 3 upon 10. Minus 2 upon 10. Minus 1 upon 10 and 0. Then you can write minus positive 1 upon 10, positive 2 upon 10, positive 3 upon 10 and positive 4 upon 10, which is giving you all total 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbers which are rational numbers between 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now this is fifth question. Five rational numbers between 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5. Similarly, as I have done the fourth question, you have to do the same. This question also, this also and this also. You have to make the denominator same and you can write the numbers between that numbers. This is sixth question. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. As we have done the third question, this is also similar. You have to write the numbers which is greater than minus 2. And as you know, in the negative numbers, the smaller numbers are greater. If this is minus 2, the next greater number than minus 2 is minus 1, then 0, then positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, like this. Find the 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Again, make the denominator same by multiplying the same to each other number, denominator and numerator, and then you can write the rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4.